A former cosplay model says she stabbed her boyfriend to death 2 years ago in self-defense. Last month, the jury thought otherwise and convicted her. Tonight, her lawyer says she needs a new trial. He says mistakes were made that cost her an acquittal.
Today, Melissa Turner's lawyer explained why he feels that way and what he plans to do about it. He spoke with Justin Shecker, who is live outside the courthouse in Tampa. Justin.
Josh and Jennifer, good evening to you both. Her attorney says there were several errors in this case, including the state presenting tampered evidence. And then today he learns of a written statement from one of the jurors that he says supports the need for a new trial. During an emotional interview before the trial, Melissa Turner told News Channel 8 she stabbed her boyfriend Matthew Trussler after he had his hands around her throat.
And that's when I picked it up because he wouldn't stop. I thought he was going to kill me.
But a Hillsborough County jury found the 29-year-old former cosplay model guilty as charged.
That's second-degree murder if you retaliate and try to defend yourself. But if you get popcorn thrown at you, it's okay to pull a gun and shoot him dead.
Prosecutors presented audio from a neighbor's surveillance camera from October 2019. Deputies say you could hear a woman say, "You stay down, and I hate you," and then expletive die. Turner's attorney, John Trevina, argues the court should never have allowed that audio to be used as evidence.
And the expert went as far as to say it had been manipulated in a way that it enhanced her screams and her voice, and at the same time lowered the volume when it came to his responses.
Another reason Trevina is seeking a new trial, this statement from a juror's questionnaire form. It says, "We didn't get to ask question, and we didn't get all the evidence. We saw some evidence that the prosecution or the defense didn't see on the tape."
This just is like icing on the cake, so to speak.
A statement from the Hillsborough State Attorney's Office says defense attorneys nearly always file motions after trials, and the judge will review them. But we don't see anything here that would change the guilty verdict we secured or the long prison sentence she deserves.
I would hope that the state would concede the error and allow a new trial.
So now the judge will decide whether to approve or deny his motions for a new trial and to interview the jurors. Right now, Turner's sentencing is scheduled for later this month. She could face life in prison. We're live tonight in downtown Tampa. I'm Justin Shecker, 8 on your side.